Your expectations are emotional debt that reality always collects. You expect others to follow your values. They won't. You expect effort to guarantee outcomes. It doesn't. You expect timing to match your plans. It rarely does. You expect comfort when you want it. Life disagrees. Each expectation makes you a victim waiting for the world to change. The mind that demands lives in constant frustration. The mind that hopes but accepts finds peace. You cannot control what happens to you. You can only control how you respond. Successful people prepare for reality instead of demanding it bend. They want what happens rather than making what they want happen. Your freedom lives in this simple truth. Stop expecting the world to serve you. Start serving yourself by adapting to what is. Hope lightly. Demand nothing. Respond to everything. That's the marble mindset.